So we're in Clovis, California. Just finished installing a 50-gallon Bradford white natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, give you some new vent piping. That's your ceiling bucket up at the roof line, and a adjustable 90 piece of pipe, another adjustable 90 down to the draft diverter, which comes with the unit. We did give you a new pipe coming out of the wall. That would not, the old valve would not come undone. So put a new pipe nipple in the wall, and then a brass shutoff valve, quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Little brass connector, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension to the tank. And then over on the hot side, brand new pipe nipple coming out of the wall. The end of the pipe nipple is a little corroded, so we just put a brand new one in there. Falcon stainless steel connector, brass extension. And so that part's good up here. This is your temperature and pressure relief valve, safety feature. And if the temperature or pressure exceeds a certain amount, then this pops off. It goes out this line. And then, of course, this that goes into the wall, that's yours. It drains down the wall and out to the side yard and points down. So if that ever is dripping out there, there's a little pipe on the wall. It's going to look just like that 90-degree turn. It's going to be on the wall about 6 to 12 inches above the concrete or the dirt, whatever's back there. If that ever starts to drip, that means something's malfunctioning, either with the water heater or just this device right here. Upper third adjustable straps, lower third adjustable straps, and then here your model number, serial number. If you'd like to, you can go to bradfordwhite.com, give them the serial number right there, and of course all your contact information, and they'll get your warranty going. It's 1 year labor, 6 year parts, which means labor's covered for 1 year, and then 6 years parts. They do offer a 10-year warranty. We don't recommend it one way or the other. We don't buy it for you. You'll buy it straight from them, and it just extends the parts portion up to 10 years, but not the labor. Down here, brand new gas shutoff valve, and then of course a gas connector. And then on the controller, you can see we've got this set to hot, and so hot is approximately 120 degrees. If you're using your home and you feel like you can get away with turning it down to here, that's great, because you're going to use less fuel to heat your water. If not, just leave it there, you'll be fine. A is approximately 130, B 140, C 150, very hot 160. B140, third degree burns, 3 seconds, going to the hospital. So just be mindful of this. We did have one customer who's got a adventurous little boy, and he likes to come out and turn gas off and turn knobs around, and so we're out there often fixing stuff. But anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.